LEVOIT Core 300 Air Purifier Replacement Filter, 3-in-1 True HEPA, High Efficiency Activated Carbon, Core 300 RF, 1-pack, white. Protect your investment. Search for B07RSCSINC or Core 300 RF for the genuine LEVOIT replacement filter to ensure what you're buying is worthy of your investment. Core 300 Replacement Filter, exclusively designed for LEVOIT Core 300 Air Purifier to maintain its peak performance. With cost-effective price to save much cost for your all-year-round air cleaning need. It is recommended to replace filters every 6 to 8 months. True HEPA technology. Adopt True HEPA filter with H13 grade, which meets the high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) standard. It filters the fine airborne particles such as pet dander, dust mites, and pollen, effectively helping improve allergies. Trap large particle. Ultrafine nylon pre-filter captures large particles such as dust. Core 300 Toxin Absorber Replacement Filter for LEVOIT Core 300 and Core 300S VortexAir Air Purifier, 3-in-1 H13 True HEPA filter replacement, compared to part #Core 300 RFTX, 1-pack, green. The premium LEVOIT Air Purifier Replacement Filter is specifically designed for LEVOIT Core 300 and Core 300S VortexAir Air Purifier filter. Compared to part #Core 300 RFTX. Note, this is not a LEVOIT OEM product. Any use of the brand name or model designation for this product is made solely for purposes of demonstrating compatibility. Feel free to ask us if you have any questions. We will unconditionally provide satisfying after-sales service. Our LEVOIT Core 300 filter is specifically designed in 3-in-1 True HEPA filtration system, nylon preliminary filter H13 grade True HEPA filter activated carbon filter.